Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, everyone.
So today, Shreya and Adarsh also there with me for walking. Let us ask, do they like walking or not? Shreya and Adarsh,
Why?
do you like walking?
Yeah.
Why? Why?
We want to learn.
Huh?
We want to learn.
You want to run? Yes, Adarsh?
Yeah.
They don't like walking, it seems. They like to run. And walking or running or cycling, anything, physical activity is good for health or bad for health, Shreya and Adarsh?
Good.
Bad? You, Shreya?
Good.
Good. That's why you want to? Oh. So, they are always ready to come with me for walking. So, let's walk. కొంచెం వాక్ చేసుకుంటూ మాట్లాడుకుందాము. Now they want to run. They are asking me to leave. We want to run. We can't walk like this, mummy అంటున్నారు.
With my mommy only.
You want to be with mummy?
You have to learn. I will also learn with you.
I have to run. They want me to run. Chalo, start. Come on, let's run. Come on, let's run. Let's just finish this one here. Running, they want running anta, walking వద్దంటున్నారు and have to run with them anta. How many of you like to run with your children like this? Let me know. So in the zigzag way he wants to run. So Adarsh ki చూసి Shreya is also wants to. Adarsh ki చూసి Shreya also wants to go in a zigzag way. So
Mommy.
yes. Come. ఆలు కొంచెం స్లోగా వాక్ చేద్దాం అంటుంది శ్రేయ. అదే వాంట్స్ టు రన్. సో సో ఇలా అప్ అండ్ డౌన్ అంటూ ఉంటుంది. So every day 45 minutes of physical activity I do keep. నాతో పాటు Shreya and Adarsh always wants to ready to walk. How many of you ready to walk? Or ready for any physical activity? Every day
45 minutes
of physical activity. What's this color? What is this color, Shreya?
Pink.
Pink and
Purple.
wow, very nice, no?
I want to take.
Very nice, no?
I want to take.
No, do not take. Okay? Just see. No. Do not pluck. Come. Let's walk together. Let's walk together. Come, Shreya. Come, beta. Don't cry. Next time water में पानी गाता ना. So many purple flowers तगड़े से देखा था तो. So many purple flowers से तगड़े. First stop crying. Flowers, okay? Come. More purple flowers. Wow. See, there are so many here. Come here. There are so many here.
I want to take one.
Wow. Beautiful, na?
I want to take.
No. Do not pluck, okay? Come. Let's go. Adesh, come here. Come here, beta. Come, let's do this. You want to do this? Adesh, come here. Do not go like that. She wants to do this. Wait, Adesh, let Shreya finish. Then I'll make her you do. Come on, move, Adesh. Come on.
I want to do.
Adesh, I think he will do on his own. I will just leave. Let us see. Adesh చేస్తాడా చూద్దాము. Just no. Just no. చూద్దాము. Come on, Adesh. అయ్యో. Already అక్కడ legs కింద ground కి touching. So I will leave you, okay? Let's see. చూద్దాం. Adesh, don't go, beta. Yeah.
You push
push చేయాలంట. చూద్దాము. I will leave, okay? Okay, Shreya?
push to start now.
No, I can't leave like that. Super. సో ఇలాంటివి అన్ని చేసుకుంటూ దెన్ ఓన్లీ ఐ కెన్ వాక్. కొంచెం వాళ్ళకి ఇట్స్ లైక్ హౌఎవర్ దే వాంట్ టు బి, ఐ హావ్ టు గో ఇన్ దాట్ వే. అదర్వైజ్ మన ఫిజికల్ యాక్టివిటీ అవ్వదు. సో మన ఫిజికల్ యాక్టివిటీ అవ్వాలంటే వీళ్ళకి ఇలాంటివి కొంచెం ఇఫ్ దే వాంట్ టు రన్, ఇఫ్ దే వాంట్ టు డూ దిస్, అలాంటివి చేసుకుంటూ వీ హావ్ టు ఫినిష్ ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ద డే. కమ్ Shreya.
My cutie bird. The calico.
Shreya, చూసావా? She's trying to catch. They like birds. They like pet animals. ఆదర్శకి చాలా ఇష్టం పెట్ యానిమల్స్. అండ్ వాచింగ్ యూ శ్రేయ అండ్ ఆదర్శ్, అక్కడ పీజన్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, వాట్ యూ వాంట్ టు గివ్? గ్రెయిన్స్ వేస్తారంట పీజన్స్ కి. దే ఆర్ నాట్ అలవింగ్ మీ. సో this is the time I have to be strong and I have to convey in that way. You have to listen to me and come for walking. Continuation ఉండడానికి have to. అక్కడ చూసారా? So this is all quite common కదా మన mothers కి. Especially we have to take care more.
Mommy.
Yes, what happened now?
Mommy.
You should not do like that.
Mommy.
Come. See. We will give. No, listen to me. We will complete one round.
No.
While going, we will give. No? Then no stories in the night. No, minus scores. Okay? We will give us. We will do one magic here. They are అసలు రావట్లేదు. నేను go and walk చేస్తాను. We will see whether they'll come or not. Okay, I'm not watching them. వస్తారా లేదా చూద్దాము. We'll see. So let us see. వస్తారా లేదా చూద్దాము. స్టిల్ రావట్లేదు. I'm going on watching. బ్యాక్ చూస్తున్నాను. స్టిల్ రావట్లేదు. బట్ we have to we will చూద్దాం. We will see. అసలు they have to listen. Walking back చూసాను. శ్రేయ అనిపించింది ఆల్రెడీ. సో ఐఎమ్ నాట్ వాచింగ్ బ్యాక్ సో దట్ they'll come అనేది is what my concept. We will see whether they come or not. We will wait here only. I'm just not looking back. వాళ్ళు చూసినప్పుడు I'm not ఏంటంటే I just want to teach them. ఆ వెయిటింగ్ అనేది I want to teach them. Otherwise అడగంగానే ఇవ్వచ్చు కానీ I just want to teach them ఆ వెయిటింగ్. That's what I'm doing this. No, do not do like that. తెలుస్తుంది కదా. What happened, Shreya?
I want to put you like the bird.
You want to?
I want to put you like the bird.
You want to give grains, చూసారా ఎంత ముద్దుగా క్రైమ్ చేస్తుంది. బట్ ఎస్ ఐ హావ్ టు టీచ్ దెమ్. అడగంగానే ఇవ్వచ్చు, బట్ దట్ వెయిటింగ్ ప్రాసెస్, దిస్ ఈస్ హౌ వీ కెన్ టీచ్ అనేది ఐ ఆల్వేస్ learn from them only. I learn from them and also I'll try to it's like I'll try to teach them always. No, you can't be like this. We can't get things just like that, kada. So for that I want to teach them that waiting process. ఎంత ముద్దుగా ట్రై చేస్తుంది కదా. క్యూటీ, షీఈ్ మై క్యూటీ పై, షీఈ్ మై క్యూటీ పై. వెరీ క్యూట్ గర్ల్. కొంచెం దగ్గరకి తీసుకోగానే మెల్ట్ అయిపోతుంది. We will see that process tomorrow. No crying, beta. Look here. Do you like your mommy or no? Once we finish that walking, no, that end walking, then we will. Cutie girl, my cutie pie. Daddy. You're also my daddy, no? Both daddy. Come, let's go. Whenever I come for walking, I'll bring some or the other thing for them. ఇప్పుడు బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్ చేయలేరు కాబట్టి I brought breakfast for them. నాతో వాక్ చేస్తారు కదా, they don't have energy. మళ్ళీ గో బ్యాక్ కోసం వాకింగ్ కోసం ఎనర్జీ ఉండదు. సో ఫస్ట్ రౌండ్ అవ్వగానే I'll just give of them food. They are eating now. Let's see what they have in their breakfast. So dosa and chutney I brought for them. Yes, Adesh, are you eating, beta? Yummy? Yes, Shreya, yummy? Say yummy. Look there. Yummy. So I always carry food with me whenever they walk with me. So once they eat, then again they have energy for walking. They had their breakfast now. Now they have energy to walk. ఇప్పుడు మళ్ళీ ఆ ఎండ్ వరకు they can walk. Yes, Shreya? Every day.
45 minutes physical activity.
Shreya and Adesh, listen to me. Look here. See, Shreya. See, look at me. From next time you have to wait. Do not cry like this. Now I am taking to you to give grains to the bird. Say next time I will wait. Shreya, say next time I will wait. I will not cry. You will wait next time? You will not cry, no? Whenever mommy is saying wait means what do you do? Yes, Shreya, what do you do? Come choose. జొన్నల్ ఎట్లా జొన్న 30 రూపీస్. ఒకటే ఇవ్వండి, డివైడ్ చేసుకుంటా. ఇంకొకటి ఇవ్వండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ. టేక్. कम 1/2. बोलो 1 सेकंड रिपीट करो.
हैदराबाद का स्टाइल है 1/2.
चलो कम श्रेया. go enjoy. It's your time, enjoy.
ये बोलेंगे तो उसको मैं पूछ रहा हूँ, मेरे को पता है कि नहीं.
Don't go that side. This side you come. Shreya, Adesh. Chapel. This side. This side, Shreya, Adesh. Go that side.
15 दिन पहले पूछा. जो ना जवाब नहीं है.
Hold this, Shreya. Hold this and give like this. Give like this. Okay? Hold this. Adesh, don't go that side. Come here.
क्या बोलता?
Come here, Adesh.
दूसरा बोलेगा नहीं है.
Adesh.
उसको कहीं को बोला.
This side.
तो किसने बोलता?
Give it.
हाँ.
So they are happy now. Others, don't go that side. Don't go to the corner. Come here. So I have to take care this also. ఎప్పుడైనా కిడ్స్ కి మనం ఇక్కడ తీసుకొస్తే ఐ సీ దట్ ఇక్కడ రాకుండా we have to take care. So it's not that easy. So whenever I give them these grains, we have to take care more. They feel very happy. బట్ ఇక్కడ బ్యాక్ ఎండ్ లో మనము వీ హ్యావ్ టు మోర్ కాషియస్ అని నాకు అనిపిస్తుంది. చూడండి ఇక్కడ వరకు వచ్చేసాడు ఆదర్శ్. సో దే ఆర్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ. నో ఆదర్శ్, డోంట్ గో దట్ ఎండ్. సో ఐ టేక్ కేర్ ఇన్ దిస్ వే. సో వెన్ ఎవర్ వి బ్రింగ్ టు ద కిడ్స్ ఇక్కడ రాకుండా చూసుకుంటాను. They are enjoying a lot. Yes, Shreya, look here, Shreya, are you happy now? Shreya, don't go that side. They are very happy there. Shreya, are you happy now? Say yes. Yes, mommy, you say?
Yes, mommy.
Your bodies are happy? Yes? Your bodies are happy? Are you happy now? Yes, your bodies are happy? Look here. Shreya, don't go that side. Come this side. No, don't come that side. Come on, let's go, Shreya, time up, come on, finish off. Quickly finish off, beta. Don't throw like that, Adarsh. That's it, Shreya, come on. That's it. Adarsh is just enjoying a lot. Adarsh, come on, time up. Hey Shreya, don't go that side. Come. No, don't go this side. Adarsh, that's it. Come on, let's go. Time up, Adarsh. Come on, I'm leaving now. No, don't go to that end. Do not go to that end. Come on. Shreya is enjoying. Shreya, come off. That's enough. Chalo, I'm leaving. Shreya, don't go to that end. Come here. Are they finished? I'm going. Then come on, finish off. That's it. Come on. I'm leaving now. Come on. Don't go to that end. So, ekkada dogs kanpiste Shreya. Chusara? She'll go like this. They like pet animals a lot. Both of them. Huh? What? Bite करे या? नहीं. काय करे? Shall we take? Water it. Okay. No. Don't touch Shreya. Every day 45 minutes of
physical activity.
Every day 45 minutes of yes.
Physical activity.
We have finished today's physical activity. Today's physical activity.
Today physical activity.
Bye bye everyone.
Bye.